Good morning, everybody. This is going to be the unboxing of the Cobb Accessport for my 2020 Ford F150 Platinum 3.5 EcoBoost. Just received it, so this is the unveiling. It's got the emblem, the registration card, of course the Accessport, which is the main reason we're doing this. This is a bitch to do one-handed, just so you know. Okay, quick start guide. More warnings. It's nicely packaged, I have to say. Alright, maps are preloaded. I've actually had one of these before on a 2014 Subaru WRX, so I'm very familiar with this. USB cable. I have a sticker here, and also one of those holsters if you want to mount the Accessport. This cradles it really nicely. All right, I'll review this product after I install it. Thank you. Bye.